The thing just you don't even need us to be seeing you.
Waga. Oh Jesus. Okay, what you want to remove the host from
Hi, something nice and lovely. We're gonna fine things. Hi. Yeah? What's popping? Huh? We then we here. Fine guests in the building. Yeah? Getting forward. We're having fun. Nebiko Nwere first. Agwa me na if all tea whatever tea ever. Onwere ofu years on I suggest. Oh, if I
Gịnị ka nke a bụ biko ka ịma ma ya ga expensive with
na agwa gị na nwa bụ ya ga ya bro. If I as ye ga na-echekwa kwa imago ị na-echekwa kwa. Ai. Mwanya bụ ife ọ ga n'aka. Ọ meta akọwa na ọ ga na-enye asọm liner na-akụ. Ma ọ na-enye liner. Ọ gakwa onye liner. Swai. Hai, ana m ezu ike ndị mmadụ kwuru n'ezuru ike. Ikwerizuo.
Ọ na-ekwu ihe afọ asị ya zukwa n'ike. Zuo ike gị na
ihe mere iche. Biko ka njikere eri a ejiju. Ibu ya bụ ukwu na-agba mmiri ọ na-adịwa taịta ka ọ na-adịwa luza.
It depends.
It depends na gịnịzi.
Some people, yeah, all got the tight. Some people they lose.
Another change between tight and loose. Ibu na-agba ka mma than ikpu dị tight.
Everybody na-agba mmiri dị tight.
Ọ gbara mmiri.
When can I decide to lose?
Ihe dị mkpa ya na-agba mmiri ọfụma. Nwaanyị mụtanụ ka esi eme contraction. Ya ọ mụta ha na ka o si trap ya mee agripa. Na-agba mmiri ọfụma ọnya bụ nke. Ọ dị tight o, ọ dị loose o, ọ bụrụ anya dị important. Ọ nwere ike sef amụ na-asị na amụ otu anwa dị loose. O nwere ike ọ bụ na amụ ya dị gịrịgịrị. Ọ dị ezigbo
tight and slippery.
Ịmụ ụdị amụ na-adị gịrịgịrị ụtọ anụ na onye si Angela.
Onye na-asị m ask Tiwa that question. Nyepụ Tiwa dị kọkọ na-agba mmiri o. Tiwa gbakwa mmiri o. Na-efe gba mmiri o.
Enwere something.
Gabi Seko Nigeria.
Ọ kpachanyere pant na ọkụ ọ kpachanyezi the pen na nye enough space ka ọ na-abanyezi ọ na-ahụkwa aka ahụ
ebe na-agbaka m isi bụ aki ahụ penti red dị n'enu okrito ọ nke a na touch.
Nwaanyị niile ịmụ Latin.
Ọkwa na ọ dres go ka esi ala mmadụ. To God. Nsi ga-ekpuo ya kịta iti ya masị na ala mmadụ.
Wow.
Ụmụ nwoke anaghị.
Na-agwa gị eziokwu. Halloween.
Nne na-asị m na m bụkwa n'ike. Nna ewe n'iwe enyere m ọga Tiger Nut ka ọ ṅụọ nwetegoro some energy ka ya ka na-aga 2 rounds. So ọ gbagote kịta nsị
Chekere ka njọ enjọrọ ka njikere ga ajụjụ like on a more serious note. I will go one now. How long will it take you before you recoup kwa 2? Okay, lucha 1 hour.
Well, all depends. Nke onye mo bugodi quick. I meali ahụ ka ahụ m, ka o set.
Okay.
Because I can finish I can finish. Muna blessing can make
Okay, life. Okay.
life.
Every Friday.
I make life kita even na cover for years last year long. Kai kuchaze nkafu. Nsi na ngwa ka o si ya just me ya litu aka just ko am nwetagodi onwe m because I know high that time. Just nyeto mo
okay, one shot.
Nsi ya ngwa ya je kwadozie
okay.
He ozi oje omecha gbakọta na kpoje naruzi ofu mbia laruola. I just no I bet early in the morning take is here the second one. Okay for 2.
I don't remember drama. I'm around
how long go get take like or makanya njiwa.
They can do it now. Oh, depend. Like this particular one now that is going on now. Oh, the first one but just quickie. Go, guy, name but gan nata. Cause I'm high. So can attack it. Don't wait. Take like 1 hour, 30 minutes. Obi asuzia manu ka
if you get fired na Angela ma aja nchọrọ eju gị na amara m ka m esi ju ya mana mma ju ya fari inyugo
mba akabere m aka m na
okay
ihe o mere m wee
ọ kpọrọ sa agụ okay nya ike eru ebe na-eje okay
onye godi that satisfaction ga-ebunata m wee nyezie dị ịnyịnya well I'm just like I said if you're gonna I'm just waiting
okay because because ọ na-adịba ka nwaanyị anyụbe ọkwa ya orube ebe a na-eje ihe because a na-asị
iru ha n'ebe ị na-eje ụlọ ịma na ọ bụrụ na mma erugo ebe m na-eje alarụgoro m kemgbe ọ ka bịara ruo ya mee nka didi mụọ anya na-eje
onwebe nke efu ịgbaba aka fechacha kere ihe na-ekwu ya na ọkwefu ka m gwa gị eziokwu amaghị nwaanyị ọ na-edebe ụmụ nwaanyị pụta na-asị chere ebe ị na-eje na blind world ebe ụmụ nwoke kpuru isi ebe ị na-akwụgharị
it's Halloween weekend come on
nsị gị na ihe na-eji Halloween emebi ikpuru ihe a n'iru laa mmadụ ozugbo ihe opportunity gị if you are a shy girl ikpuru ichie iru kpuru mask laa mmadụ ozugbo ka m gwa gị eziokwu Angel ọma ị mara na-ekwu ihe ọ dịka ụmụ nwaanyị pụta they are quick to say afọ ha amụ ihe nwa mgbanelu m ebe ọkwa nnọ ọ na-efu ha amụ ka ọ na-echọghị iselect one kiri ive ọ bụ because imansi m na amụ adịghị
the truth of the matter bụ na ọdọ amụdọ not pụtakwa nnọọ na-ekwukwu ihe o no selection mana anyị ihe anyị chọrọ anara agba n'afọ ihe afọ mmadụ dịka na ọ na-eje afọ ije select ya iji chekwa afọ ahụ kwugharịcha ebe niile metụchasịa aka niile gotezie ife ọ bụrụ okwu na ụka onye bụ ihe ụmụ nwaanyị ihe anyị na-achọ anara agba n'afọ
ihe mebra expensive before ị ree ọtụ ị ga-ebugoro ụzọ kpopụsie tọị enwe tọị ya na-eme gị dị confuse ị ga-ekpopụsi tọị because gị na nwoke kpasịa nkata ọ dị ka ọ ga-adaba ị nakwa n'ụlọ wee tọị fịọgha isi onwe gị na ọ dị ka nwoke ma amara ya ọ na-ata.
Yeah. So I say, oh, okay, how would the honey hatcher? Like that is my fear. How would the honey fa hana cho how call another story? Or how was how call another story?
Give how with an honey. Go in with a hunky natural. Or so young with her. What with her young with her? But I show you out. You yourself go and come with her. Because I'll give you you enjoy it better.
But seriously, Waga.
No, check it. Check it now. No. I'll be easy. Yeah? Our daddy no Richie, please come. We yeah?
But it no be firewood na.
Eziokwu na mgbe a na-akpọ gị nwa ka wee dị mgbe a na-eme ha gị nwa ka ọ ka dị mma ọ na-achọ gị anyị na-eti ewo.
Onye na-eti ewo.
Ehe ka ihe ị ga na-etikwa.
But funny enough, I don't scream ewo. What is ewo?
Do you even remember what you scream? You don't remember.
Who told you? Wait.
But you say you've been celibate for a year plus. No,
obviously 2 years. What, 4 months?
Okay, 4 months now. 4 months now. So yeah, I'm 4 months. I'm 4 months now. Battery on a kigogo. Battery vibrator on a kigogo. Was your
battery, what guy? My toy they use the charger. I charge it.
Eh? Okay, you not charge. Okay. Only car was it more car Borgala. Does it work we are on charge? Eh? Biko can na yoga. Na jogging na jishigi. You never had toy for 6 months. I told my mom on where very
No, I can't.
Eh?
I can't. I can't make them here.
Okay, ma'am. So in the use umutoya in a Ringtone in the mix. In a Ringtone then.
Yeah, it's normal. What is normal now?
Okay, you use the toy.
Because in my menu now, maybe a guy, you know everything down there. So.
Oh. And you're gonna eat guys.
I would like it for your neighbors to be hearing you scream.
But one can never, at least so gonna better. Go in minute.
It's alright.
Also. Kerumbu of Nazandari Bemneti, for example. I have some nonsense worries. Yeah? For example, yeah? Imogo, for example.
For example, may use ya. No, like.
Like we have no gonna read it. Eh? Nancy. Nke Nancy bụ na ọ na-eburu ya. Ama mmụọ na-eme obere nto mana anụgo m nke ọ na face to face. Ọ nwere nke mfu ya ọ na-eburu ọ narie. N'ire ebe ọ narie 1 second na chitekwa. The team bar. Ịmụgo ọ nwere nke o si banye.
Na-enwe ike na-eme nụ like.
You need to eat you make what you when just yana for the sound. It's okay. All the network of fluctuate that time, eh? Again, one more time. Just I don't know me off my because you know use yeah, you might get the free now. You go.
Like on the heat somewhere, it's touching on the metal somewhere now, and it's you know it's kind of like triggering so a lot of things in your body. Like
Okay. What happened? I the small. Happy to go right the happy like I want you to just concentrate go to my hair like 1 minute, just 60 seconds. I'm gonna have your 60 seconds. So go just 60 seconds. Oh, and see who is this sweet girl? Just
Okay.
sit.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, you guys.
Bia. Enyo one na bani anyukwana 2. Enyo one anyuna 2. Enyo one is wake.
Wanga, why you did this to me now? If already
This
I'm already all dressed up. Let me not get wet here, please, please, please.
Hey, I didn't wet.
Yeah.
Ini one wet or bad jefe. Eh? Get it for. Hey.
The way it's all different now because one, I'm gonna be undressed for myself and yeah.
Undress by yourself. Oh, okay. You might be tired after wetness. Oh.
I have to undress myself. Can use on my toy. But my channel got not tired. So I try to make it tired tonight.
Oh. No, but you can, one or 2 power horse, to boost up the energy. You can get tired. Oh my God. Hey, I miss Komalaba.
Oh God. Oh, don't do this to me.
No, I can't do this to you. The thing did happen. Imogo, ringtone in now. Eh? Komalaba.
Hello.
You know, your ringtone. Ringtone now,
Okono,
Nna, ọ banyere ka nna agwa
I'm a white for me got it happen. I don't busy for na me ya akwa.
Okay, sorry. Mara yonya ka onye iwo mo. Yonya ka onye iwo mo.
Anya mere nji bia wanu do ne.
Okay. No, just. Ihe abụkwa na ihe anyị na-agụ nwere ike imenwuo otu anyị na-agụ n'ebe a na Enugu ka ị na-egosi anyị aghara afọ a na nwere ike ibe kpara ofụtọ ji anyị na-eme ọbụrụ nke ọ ga-enye gị nke ị ga-anyụ ebe a nke inyu nụọ bifọ ọ ga-adị tantric.
Trust me, Wage. Charlie, no more. You don't need to hear me coming, okay? So don't go there.
What? You scream? Wait, that's interesting. That is actually what we want to hear. Hi.
Funny enough, I don't know how I sound when I'm coming, but I'm a mom. I don't sound name.
You don't scream.
I know. I'm not the bad like.
You go Halloween mask. You go mask Halloween. Keep you in your money.
I go mask. So I only have this, and I only have this, and I have my tail like a devil tail.
Hi. Okay, devil tail. Yeah. When I see we dare you, what you want? Can I say I dare you? I dare you. Yeah.
No, no.
You are dangerous. That's your position. You may be Lucifer.
I think you cannot see my horn.
No, what is your kuna? Yeah. Do it.
Wow, how shall he be?
Nanya, to God. Let's do it.
They can't handle it, so they should stop.
Nanya. Highest thing in game, I remove somebody. Do it. With this devil, this thing. perfect working. Eh?
What guy? You
eh? Eh? Because him go that ringtone now I'm going to register na brain. Eh? When then I see take camera down. Yeah?
It's not. It's my outfit.
No, I don't interested in the camera
I don't
going
have my
down.
outfit on that girl. You see, it's like
no wonder.
Then I'm gonna put the tail at the back.
Eh. Oh, hey. Let me bring camera down. Hey. Just ringtone. Just just one more ringtone. Because at times I wonder how it is. You use toy on your own. At times I wonder. Sometimes open in mind, some of us can actually pay for a recording during those sessions. To see record other session, we'll play back.
You know the funny thing was, like most time I would a lot of videos of myself when I'm in the use my toy, but I can never ever send it to nobody. Never.
Video.
It's for myself and I.
In a clear.
Yeah, because I learned from it.
Hey, you learn from it. So can you okay, again.
Yeah, not just, practice makes perfect,
Hi, I want to ladies to but only in eh? If for that session, he record or that session, just what go do me again. Lips na no buam.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, hello.
Hi.
How are you, baby? Help a sister now. Dozian. Do. Do help us. Only. It was like halfway. Dozier. Neko. So, watch him. Help, madam. Expensive. Baby. Fine girl. Help.
What do you want me to do? Say help her. What is your own ringtone? Get your own ringtone.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Hey! Waga, please keep quiet. So only I can expensive though. And I like the devil horn. It does you read devil horn. This is endearing.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. Oh no. Small tone, go away match, yeah. Hell, Chim. Dozian. Baby, please. I'm kneeling down.
Child of God.
I'm begging you. In fact, I buy number 2 when someone feed my own horn. My own horn. Oh.
Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking again.
Expensive, please do one more. Please.
Oh, you know my ringtone?
Waga, met you on now.
Okay.
Hey. Expensive. Baby. Oh, God. One more. Hey. Oh. Oh, yes.
One guy.
We are there. Almost there.
Oh my God, if you are beg you.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
You kidding me?
I'm almost there. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go faster. Faster.
Faster, we are.
What's the fast?
No, stand up. Stand up, bragging everyone.
What guy never beating my phone?
I'm sorry.
What the? This night is for sexy farmer girl.
I'm sorry.
You can see my eyes are not open.
Sir?
Oli.
Sir?
Oh, go on.
I'm almost
Yes,
there.
sir. Almost.
Okay.
I need to know at the same place.
Because
Almost.
Almost.
Expensive.
Hey, you're
Almost.
You're one Lucifer.
You're one Lucifer.
Expensive.
You're crazy.
This is Halloween, baby.
Expensive.
You're one Lucifer.
Yeah, baby.
No joke, right? People like us are very local when it comes to ringtone. I need the very local.
Yes, so.
Away. So, Nkegi now will be there. Onye nkuzi, kuzuali mo kano. Okay.
I'm learning too, honey.
No, your own learning.
No, your own is the best.
Imagine your own. Imagine my own. Away.
Aye.
One more.
I didn't say anything. No.
Okay. Waga, equal anything now. Hagwagi can stand up, move back. Okay.
Mana, como rava de qual biasha?
Chill. Actually, me
expensive is the bomb. Always say something now. Expensive.
As soon as she does it, I'll do it. Okay.
Okay, like
the thing just you don't even need us to see you.
Waga. Oh Jesus. Okay, what
But
you want to remove the host from
sorry.
Okay. Expensive. Okay, expensive.
yeah, baby.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Choke me.
I don't go.
Choke me.
Waga.
Choke me.
Waga, you can't be serious. Waga,
just
2 seconds.
I'm sorry. Okay, well, I'm gone for the first time. I'm gone.
Waga, come back in a day. Come back.
Oh no, Nana, you put
Okay. Okay, let's go.
I was at the point of choking. Choke me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can you do?
Come back here.
One final thing. Expensive. Expensive. Only fame full kita. I like in your outfit.
Yes.
The down part. Or net.
The material.
Oh, it's net.
Oh God, the net.
Hallelujah. I'm not like. I'm legally blind. Come for you very well, because.
Yes, what I was
It's a costume, though.
I know it's a costume. I can hear, but I can't see.
Okay, let me stand up a bit. But it's a costume, though.
That's okay.
Thank you,
That's
baby.
okay.
I've come. Oh my God.
There's a problem. Wait.
Biko.
Expensive. Expensive. One more. Biko, one more, please.
Oh, what do you mean, Bumpo?
No,
Not to say you want to see my costume.
Okay, sorry. I'm good. Sorry.
Waga.
I'm not yet a tip from the tail yet. I'm gonna put that when I'm going out. See?
Okay. Ooh.
Chorichan. Me too, I need glasses. Wow.
You see?
It's beautiful.
Waga,
It's
come down
beautiful.
up comment section.
Yeah, thank you, honey. I've not yet put the tail. I'll put that when I do my makeup and I'm going out. I'll put the tail.
It's
expensive. You look very unique.
Thank you, boo.
Beautiful.
Waga, off comment section.
Let me cool my temper down.
I didn't see anything. The comment section is blocking me. Kero dere kwensu kwaniha. And when there's a kwensu ya, do waga tirimu kwensu do serious. Which kind of problem is this?
Waga, you can sit down now. We are done.
Waga, come now. Where are you?
Come back and sit down. I need to go.
We go see no more. No, Cambia. Sinyanum ringtone.
No, Waga. One more, one last.
Ringtone. I don't understand.
Expensive. Can you imagine the comment section blocked? I didn't see anything. Waga is wicked.
Because on at the side of the comments. That's
okay.
Yes, because I asked him to leave. He on the comment section.
Okay.
Thank you, baby. You are the best.
Can put it back. Always zip.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
No, your hair. Your hair is on the way.
No.
Your hair. Baby, move your hair to the side.
Oh, you're not on this side.
Your hair to the side.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Kamora. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can take me out now, Waga. Take me out. I'm
thank
okay.
you for the night.
Take you where? Stay here.
Waga, you see, Maka expensive.
I'm coming.
Code. This night I'm coding.
I'm
coding, but because of this expensive,
Waga, take me out. I'm coming.
Kiss your eye, no. No.
Waga, take me out. I'm coming. Take me out.
Kamora.
Remove me, oh. Take me out. Take me
out. Waga, you're crazy.
I want to sleep. Good night.
You are weak.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have come and you want to go.
You have come. Good night.
Oh.
All of you.
You have come and you want to go.
Hope people live long forever. Thank you so much.